Portable centres have been revolutionising the same-day automotive repair market since 2014, citing their range of customer-friendly, convenient repair centres in everyday locations such as supermarkets, retail parks and airports. The Portable Auto Centre range is designed, manufactured and deployed with all specialised fixed equipment to provide a turnkey solution for body repairs, service, glass, tyre and even Class 4 MOT, providing a complete business in a box. The most popular model in the Portable Centre's body repair range is this, the CB1 Car Body Repair Centre, which have become familiar sights in Tesco car parks around the country. These CB1s are precision-engineered units with a steel base and painted steel frame construction, eventually clad in polyurethane-insulated foam core panels. These centres have a multitude of security features, including a steel roller shutter, intruder alarm, CCTV, and keypad and key lock security doors. Inside, these portable auto centres are fitted with specialised state-of-the-art fixed equipment which allows technicians to efficiently carry out all types of non-structural body repairs. The workshop control unit supplies filtered compressed air to the technician's tools and air-fed mask. It also connects to the central turbine dust extract system. The paint mixing and storage centre is fully ventilated and compliant with all European safety standards. The work bay also houses this rail-mounted infrared curing system with radar distance sensors which can be swung into position on any part of a vehicle as required. Storage units, tool cupboards, the spray gun cleaning machine and the plant room are all easily accessible. The space within the centre is climate controlled to ensure a comfortable and safe environment. A 4-stage filtration and extraction system eliminates all volatile organic compounds. Sensitive areas are sealed shut with electromagnetic door locks. Energy-efficient inverter technology controls the airflow. This ensures the air in the unit is kept clean and all VOCs are captured. The customer waiting area is fully accessible, it has seating, a viewing window and a reception desk for taking payment. Additional body repair centres include the CB2 Car Body and Alloy Wheel Repair Centres, which features DCR diamond cut refinishing machines. And there's the Light Commercial Vehicle Centre, the VB1, winner of Watt Van Innovation of the Year award back in 2016. Portable Centre's highly skilled engineers design, build and commission all equipment prior to delivery. Deliveries are fast and efficient, so our team will have you operational within days. With their innovative, consumer-friendly approach, Portable Centres are revolutionising the same-day automotive repair industry, bringing peace of mind, convenience and value for money to thousands of motorists in a growing market around the world.